Hello everyone, we are the Group J and we are going to discuss the objectives of our program Multi-Level Q Feedback. The objective of the multi-level Q feedback is to allow a process to move between queues. The idea is to separate processes with different CPU burst characteristics. If a process uses too much CPU time, it will be moved to a lower priority queue. Similarly, a process that waits too long in a lower priority queue may be moved to a higher priority queue. This form of aging prevents starvation. The definition of a multi-level feedback queue scheduler makes it the most general CPU scheduling algorithm. It can be configured to match a specific system under design. Unfortunately, it also requires some means of selecting values for all the parameters to define the best scheduler. Although a multi-level feedback queue is the most general scheme, it is also the most complex. And the programming language that will be used in conducting this program will be C language.
I am Kurt Dominic Cruz and I'm here to discuss the scope and the limitations. Based on our proposal, our program met the number of processes with minimum of 5 and maximum of 10. In burst time, minimum of 1 ms and maximum of 8 ms. In arrival time, minimum of 1 ms and maximum of 15 ms. And in quantum time, minimum of 4 ms.
And now I'm going to demonstrate the multi-level feedback queue scheduling. And now let's run the program. Welcome to Group J, multi-level queue feedback scheduling. Press any key to continue. Our process is 3. And the first process, arrival time of the first process is 0. And the burst time of 3. And priority of 1. And the second process, and arrival time of the second process is 0 also, and burst time of 6, and priority of second. And the third process, arrival time of 0, burst time of 9, priority of 1. The first priority start with 0 because the arrival time is 0, and with 3 because burst time of 3. And the next process is process 3 because priority first come first serve of 1, and start with 3 and with 12 because the burst time of 9, and 12, and the second priority start with 12 ends with 18 because the burst time of 6 response of 12. Yeah.